Welcome back to AI for Beginners, step-by-step journey from novice to pro. Today, we delve into the heart of AI, an element so crucial that without it, the marvels of AI would be but a dream. Today, we talk about data. Think of trying to cook your favorite meal without any ingredients or attempting to create a masterpiece without paint or brushes. It would be impossible, right? The same holds true for artificial intelligence. Without data, AI is like a car without fuel. It simply cannot function. In today's interconnected world, every interaction, every digital footprint we leave behind, from our online shopping habits to our social media activities, is a potential source of data. Each click, each like, each share contributes to this vast, ever-growing ocean of information. But data isn't confined to the digital realm. It's the written records from centuries ago, the migration patterns of birds, the growth rings within ancient trees. It's the world around us, captured and represented in a way that can be measured, analyzed, and understood. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to take this enormous, seemingly chaotic collection of information and extract meaning from it. It sifts through the noise, identifies patterns, and makes informed decisions. But it's important to remember that not all data is created equal. Just like a chef needs a variety of ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, AI thrives on a diverse diet of data, from neatly structured spreadsheets to the chaotic world of unstructured data. Think tweets, social media posts, images, and more. The more varied and rich the data, the more nuanced and insightful the AI becomes. At its core, the process of AI is akin to refining crude oil into gasoline. It takes raw, unprocessed data and transforms it into something usable, something valuable. It turns information into insights, knowledge into wisdom. As we continue our journey into the fascinating world of AI, remember this. At the heart of every intelligent machine, at the core of every groundbreaking algorithm, is data. It's the silent, often overlooked force that powers the AI revolution. Data is everywhere, but not all data is created equal. Just as a painter uses a variety of brushes and hues to create a masterpiece, artificial intelligence thrives on the diversity of data. Let's take a moment to explore this fascinating world. Think of data as the raw material for AI, but it's not just a single uniform entity. It comes in many forms, each carrying its unique value and challenges. At one end of the spectrum, we have structured data. This is data that's organized, neat, and tidy, like a well-kept library. It's usually found in tables or databases with clear rows and columns, making it relatively easy for AI to understand and analyze. But the real world is far from being neatly organized, and that's where unstructured data comes in. This is data that's messy and unpredictable, like a pile of books tossed haphazardly on the floor. It can be anything from text in a novel, a tweet, an image, a video, or a voice recording. While it might seem chaotic to us, AI has the unique ability to find patterns and insights even in this apparent chaos. Then there's semi-structured data, a sort of hybrid that falls somewhere in between. It's not as tidy as structured data, but not as wild as unstructured data. Examples include emails, where parts like the sender, recipient, and date are structured, but the content of the email is unstructured. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to deal with all these types of data, deciphering patterns and connections that might be invisible to the human eye. The more diverse the data, the more comprehensive the understanding AI can develop. Just as a well-balanced diet fuels our bodies, a rich mix of data nourishes AI, enabling it to deliver more insightful and robust outputs. So remember, the richness of data is not just about quantity, it's also about diversity. From the structured to the unstructured, each form of data brings its unique flavor to the AI table, making the final outcome that much more insightful. The richer the data, the more insightful the AI. The magic unfolds when this data is processed and analyzed, turning raw information into actionable insights. Just like a gold digger sifts through heaps of sand and rock to find precious nuggets, AI sifts through mountains of data to find valuable information. This data, however, is not immediately usable. It's raw, it's messy, and it's unrefined. So, what do? Picture this. You have a crude oil deposit. It's valuable, sure, but not in its current form. You can't just pump it into your car and expect to get anywhere. It needs to be refined, processed into something that your car can use. This is exactly what happens in the world of AI. Data, the crude oil of our metaphor, undergoes a refining process, transforming it into something our AI algorithms can use. This refining process, in the world of AI, is called data processing and analysis. It's a multi-step journey that includes cleaning the data, removing the noise and irrelevant information, and then transforming it into a format that our AI models can understand. This could mean turning text into numerical data, or categorizing images, or even breaking down complex information into simpler, more manageable pieces. Once our data is clean and in the right format, it's time for the analysis. Here, sophisticated algorithms step in, sifting through the data, looking for patterns, trends, and correlations. They're searching for the gold nuggets in our data mine. When they find these insights, they're not just raw data points anymore. They're actionable pieces of information. They can help us make predictions, make decisions, or even understand complex phenomena. The beauty of AI lies in this transformation, this metamorphosis from raw, unrefined data to polished, insightful information. It's the process of turning the crude oil of data into the gasoline of insights, powering our AI technologies and driving us towards a future where machines can learn, understand, and make decisions just like us. Think of it as refining crude oil into gasoline. Just as a child learns from textbooks and experiences, AI models are trained using data. This analogy is perhaps the simplest way to understand the concept of machine learning, a fundamental component of AI. Just as children absorb knowledge from the world around them, AI models ingest vast amounts of data, learning, adapting, and improving over time. Now you might wonder, how does this learning process happen? Just like a young mind, AI starts off with a clean slate. It's then exposed to a flood of information, also known as the training data. This data could be anything from images and texts to sounds and numbers. The AI model, like a diligent student, works its way through this data, identifying patterns, understanding correlations, and making sense of the information. But here's the catch. The learning process is only as good as the data it's based on. You wouldn't expect a child to master advanced mathematics from a basic arithmetic textbook, right? Similarly, an AI model's proficiency is directly proportional to the quality and diversity of the data it's trained on. The more varied the data, the broader the AI's understanding. If you train an AI model only on pictures of cats, it might struggle to identify a dog. But expose it to a wide array of animal images, and it'll soon start distinguishing between different species with remarkable accuracy. Quantity of data is equally important. You wouldn't expect a child to learn a language after hearing just a few words. They need exposure to sentences, conversations, and different contexts. In the same way, AI models need vast amounts of data to learn effectively. The bottom line is this: the quality and diversity of data directly shape an AI model's capabilities. It's like the old saying, garbage in, garbage out. Feed an AI poor quality data and you'll get poor quality results. So, as we venture deeper into the world of AI, remember this: data isn't just the fuel for AI, it's the curriculum, the textbook, the teacher. The quality and quantity of this educational material directly impact AI's proficiency. As we move forward in our series, always remember, at the core of every intelligent machine is the vast and varied world of data. It's the silent force, the unsung hero of the AI revolution. It's the lifeblood that fuels the heart of artificial intelligence. To put it into perspective, imagine a world of AI without data. It's akin to a bird without wings, a fish without water. The indispensable role of data to AI cannot be overstated. It's like the air that we breathe, unseen but vital. Data comes in many forms and flavors, from the neatly organized structured data to the wild, unpredictable world of unstructured data. This diversity of data is what makes AI so versatile and powerful. The richer the data, the more insightful the AI. But data is not just about volume. It's about turning this raw information into actionable insights. It's about refining this crude oil into gasoline. It's about the transformation of unprocessed facts into the fuel that powers the engine of AI. Just as a child learns from textbooks and experiences, AI models are trained using data. The quality and quantity of this educational material directly impact AI's proficiency. It's the wisdom passed down from generation to generation, the lessons learned from countless experiences. In this vast and interconnected world, every click, every like, every online purchase, even our conversations contribute to the oceans of data. It's the written words from centuries past, the patterns of migrating birds, the rings within ancient trees. Data is everywhere, and it's the key to unlocking the true potential of AI. So as we journey through the realm of artificial intelligence, let's not forget the power of data. It's the silent force that's driving the AI revolution, the fuel that's powering the engine of intelligent machines. Stay tuned as we continue to demystify the realm of artificial intelligence. Until next time.